In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to apply for a personal loan with RBC Royal Bank. This process is straightforward whether you're doing it online or using the RBC mobile app. To get started, you'll want to visit the RBC Royal Bank website or open the RBC mobile app on your device. This is your gateway to exploring the variety of personal loan options RBC offers. Once you're on the platform, navigate to the personal loan section. Here, you'll find detailed information about the loan options available, including the repayment terms. It's important to review these details carefully to ensure the loan fits your financial needs and repayment capabilities. Understanding the terms in advance can help you plan better and make informed decisions. When you're ready to proceed, click on the Apply Online button. This will initiate your loan application process. You'll need to fill in some essential information at this stage. Make sure to have your personal details, employment information, income details, and the amount you wish to borrow handy. RBC offers personal loans starting from $5,000 with repayment terms ranging from 1 to 5 years. These details are crucial as they help RBC assess your application and offer you a loan that suits your financial situation. Once you've entered all the necessary information, take a moment to review your application details. Double-checking this information is key to avoiding any errors that might delay your application. After ensuring everything is correct, go ahead and submit your request. If you prefer a more personal touch, RBC also provides the option to apply by phone or in person. You can visit an RBC branch to speak with an advisor who can guide you through the application process and answer any questions you might have. Upon approval of your loan, RBC will provide you with all the relevant details, including the interest rate and repayment schedule. This information is vital for managing your loan effectively and ensuring you stay on track with your payments. And that's how to apply for a personal loan with RBC Royal Bank. With this guide, you should feel confident navigating the application process efficiently. Whether you choose to apply online, by phone, or in person, RBC offers flexible options to suit your preferences. Good luck with your application, and thank you for tuning in to learn how to make the most of RBC's loan offerings.